probably hear some kind of weird sound in the background. It's my new mic that I got. Let me move it. Oh, I don't want to make a loud sound. Headphone users, warning if I make a loud sound. So this is the microphone. It doesn't have any adjusting on it or anything. It supposedly adjusts itself. But, I tried it out. I recorded like 2 different videos. No, actually a lot of videos. Trying to see why it was making the sound. I don't know why. I don't know if it's making in this video. I'll check after I'm done with it. But, yeah. Let me just sing something real quick. I don't want to make a loud sound. Okay, this might be a little loud. I was just adjusting it. Okay. Let me just, I don't know what song to sing. I'll just sing, Tears of Gold. Mama always told me that I was too naive, gave away my trust for pennies. I said, don't you worry, didn't think that I'd be broken down and crying, help me. Wrecked, check, heart in debt. All you do is come out right your skin here to collect. Wrecked, check, heart in debt. Don't you know that I cry tears of gold for you? I sit here pour for you. Ooh, that part gets hard. Anyway, so I'm gonna check the video, see if it's still making that sound. I don't know why it's doing it. It just is. But yeah, it's not an expensive mic. It was $24.99, but yeah, it looks like a good mic. It looks good quality, but it's just making that sound for some reason. But yeah, so I'm gonna check it, and if it's still making that sound, I'm still gonna post this video on YouTube. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Please, I'm gonna go to my TikTok and post part of this video on there, so you guys can comment on TikTok, because on YouTube it has COPPA and it just won't let you comment. So yeah, bye.